the third video for Google Sites. I will show you how to add a page and add navigation and perhaps embed things such as Google Documents and calendars. So first of all, we have just one page on our site now, the home page, but if we want to add another page, we're going to go right here to this plus sign and add that page. First thing we will do is name the page. So I'll just call it period 1. Let's say. And there are different types of web pages or different templates you can choose. Almost all the time you're going to use the one called web page, but you might use the one called list, and I'll show you that another time. It says select a location. I'm going to put it under home. It's helpful to do this here. When I show you navigation, you'll see it doesn't matter that much. But I'm going to create that page. Click create, and I'm going to get another blank page. And I can go ahead and click the pencil, and I can start adding content to this page if I want. Okay. Alright, and then I'll click save. And I'm going to add another page just so we have something to work with here. Click the create page. And I'll call this one, I'm going to call this advisory just for fun. And I'm going to spell it wrong. Advisory. You can laugh because I can't hear you. It's okay. And you see what's happened here is, and I didn't say where I was going to put that. I'm clicking save. So now our site has 3 pages. We have the home page and 2 other pages. But what we want to do here is we want to create a custom navigation that we can change anytime. And there may be times we create a page, but we don't want people to see it yet. So we would not want that included in the navigation. So here is a new to these videos anyway, new part of Google Sites. This more actions. Looks like a little gear. And the thing we're looking for here is edit site layout. So the changes we make here are going to be for the entire site. So click edit site layout, and up at the top here it gives you a choice. Do you want these things? So if it's darker gray, it means you have it. If not, so I'm going to do horizontal navigation, and there's already a sidebar there. Okay, and I'm going to leave custom footer blank. Now I'm going to go over here to the left. Where's that sidebar? Oh, here's the sidebar. So I'm going to go to the sidebar here, and it says edit sidebar. So I'm going to click on here, and this is important here. When you go to configure navigation, one of your choices says automatically organize my navigation, which means your navigation organization is going to match your site's organization. I would turn that off. Okay, that way you're going to have more control over the navigation, and once again, if you create a page you don't want people to see, then you wouldn't be able to do that. I'm going to also unclick the sitemap. So it says select pages to show. Right now there are no pages to show. I'm going to click add page. It's going to show me all the pages, so I'm going to click home and click OK. And I'm going to click another page here, and I need to click that little plus to show. And click period 1. You have to do one at a time. And I'll just add all the pages and then show you. And then I'll click on advisory. And what I want for this is I want period 1 and advisory to be subsets of home. So if I click period 1, I'll click this right pointing arrow, and same for advisory. Let's say I want advisory above period 1. I'll just click this arrow. If I want to delete this, deleting this does not delete it from your website, but it deletes it just from the menu I click OK. And now you can see it's strange. You have to go up here when you're done. You're still in kind of an edit mode, but it's different. You have to go on the right side and click close to get into the and now you can see why it's not working. Oh, because I'm on advisory. Okay, so I'll go back to home. There we go. Go back to home and you'll see you've got the navigation system working very slowly. And again, so to review, and then if you want to do it up on top, I'll just do it one more time here. We'll do go back to the more actions, go to edit site layout, and this time we'll do it up on top. Now the header and navigation are two different things. So I don't want to edit the header. I want to edit this one that says edit horizontal navigation, and it's basically the same thing. So you have a choice of boxes, tabs, or links. Let's do tabs just for fun, and I'll do this as quickly as possible. I'm going to add each page. Select the page. I thought I did. It's got to be red to be selected. Oh, I did it twice. And I did that on purpose so I can show you deleting. Okay. And one more. Add page. And by that period 1. Okay. Well, I don't want home to appear twice, so I'll click on it here. Again, this is just navigation. This is not the page. I'll click delete. And let's just pretend, just for the sake of argument, I want advisor to be under period 1. Okay, so I'm going to first of all move click on advisory, move it down, and then click it over to the right. And this is for the top navigation. I'm going to click OK, click close, go to the home page here, and see on top now we have some navigation up on top. And you can see that the advisory is under period 1 and those links are going to work. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. Contact Scott if you have any questions.